Hello guys, welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today I'll discuss about set the print area to only print select cells in Google Sheets part 1. If you have your data only in specific cells, your data only in specific cells in your worksheet in your worksheet you can configure an option you can configure an option so that Google Sheet only only prints those select cells those select source those select source select cells. Step on launch a web browser. Launch a web browser on your computer. On your computer, access Google Sheets. Access Google Sheets and and open the workbook you would like to print. You would like to print select the cells you want to print in your workbook Step 3, select file, print from Google Sheets menu bar. Google Sheets menu bar. Step 4, choose current sheet from the print dropdown. From the print dropdown menu on the right. You will see your current worksheets preview worksheets on the left. On the left. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my